Alright guys, so today I'm going to share with you how I create this design using Freehand. So you can see in Freehand we have the model look like this, and I will create the surface in the middle using the golden surface, and the surface outside using the filling tool in the surface workbench. And I also create the thickness of this model, and later fillet on the edge of the model. So if you like this design, you can follow my tutorial. So thank you. Okay, so I start by dropping the image into Freehand, click and drag it into Freehand, and I go to the top view. I double click on the image, and I click on the calibrate, and I start from here. Click on the top and click on the bottom, and I will set it to 100. Enter. I click OK. Now the image is facing, placing on the top view. I go up to the view, toggle the axis cross, show the arrow, and because I want to model it in the front view, so I select the image and transform it. I tap in here 90 degree and rotate it 90 degree in the x-axis and move it back a little bit. I click OK. Now I create a new sketch on the front view. I want to sketch in this curve and this curve. Create a new sketch, front view. Okay. And create freehand display. Sorry, create display. Let's put 3 points in here. Okay, something like this. And I close that. Because I want to use the mist curve in the curve workbench to control the curve of this line. So I need another sketch on the right view. I create a new sketch on the right view. And I will reference this line. I create freehand, I create Bspline and start up here, and then put 2 points like this and go down here. I select this point and this point. I hit V for vertical constraint, and this point, and the middle line. I hit S for symmetry, and this point, I hit I and set it to 50. Also this point, select this point and I hit L and I will set it to 30, negative 30. I click OK. Now we have something like this. I close that. Now I go to the curve workbench. I control select this sketch and this sketch, mist curve. Now we have a new mist curve created. Let me hide the mist curve, and let me start from the right side. Doing the same, I go to the sketcher and create a new sketch on the front view. Bspline. Something like this. and I close that. Next, I go to the right view and create new sketch. Create new sketch on the right view, and I will reference this line. Okay. Then I create Bspline. Also the same. This point, and the middle line, I hit S. And this point, I hit I for 50. And this point, I hit L and 30. Negative 30. I close that. Now I go to the curve workbench and Control select these two and create a mist curve. Now you have the second mist curve. Let me show the first mist curve, and you have these two. Next, I will create the curve on top and on bottom. I go to the sketcher and create new sketch on the front view. I reference this line and this line. I view the section and Bspline. Start from here, put down. Let's try 2 point and go up. At the bottom, the same 2 point and finish. Let's reshape this guy here. Okay, so I close that. And also what I want to create the curve in between to control the shape of the surface. In between this. So I go to the curve workbench and I go to the front view. Control select this line and this line and create a freehand Bspline. Okay, now we have a new freehand Bspline in the middle. Now go to the top view. Click on the freehand Bspline, hit I. Okay, to add a new point and select this point and move it back. Hit Y and move it back somewhere around here. And you hit Q to access the edit mode of the freehand Bspline. Now it's time to create the surface. I go to the front view and Control select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and create a golden surface. Okay, you see now we have a new surface. I click on the golden surface and hide it. Hit spacebar to hide. Now I will create this curve and this curve. This one and this one. I go to the sketcher and create a new sketch on the front view. And I will reference this one and this one. Okay. And I'll view the section. Also, we'll create a Bspline. And let's start up here. Let's put some point here. Finish here. Okay. Do the same with this curve. Okay, now reposition. Alright, now I close that. Now you can see the curve network look like this. Now I want to create the curve to control the shape of the surface. From here, curve in here to here, okay. And on this side also a curve from here to here. Alright. So I will select let's see, we select this point and control select this curve, and I go to the curve bench and create freehand display. I go to the bottom view and select the freehand display, hit I to insert a new point and move this one up. I hit Z, oh sorry, I hit Y. Okay, move it over somewhere around here. I hit Q to confirm. Alright, something like this. Doing the same over here, you select somewhere close to this point and control select this curve in the middle, create a freehand display. And also I go to the bottom view and select this freehand display, hit I, and also this one, move this one up, hit Y to constrain it on the Y axis. I hit Q to confirm. Alright, now it's time to create a surface. To create this surface, I need to go to the surface workbench. Go to the surface workbench and go to the filling tool. Click on it and click on this curve, and then click on this curve. Now we have a new surface, but we want to control the curve of the surface, so that we go to the edge constraint. Click on it, and I click on add edge, and I click on this edge. Okay. Now I click OK that. Now we have the new surface on the left. Now I'm doing the same with the surface on the right. Also filling tool, and click on this curve and this curve, and also in the edge constraint, click on add edge and go down here and select this edge. Right. Next I will combine these guys together and hit OK, and we show the golden surface. I want to adjust the curve of maybe I should add another one up here. Let me adjust this curve a little bit. So I select this curve and double click on this freehand display, and I go to the front view and I click on this point and move this one up. I hit Q to confirm that, and also double click on it again and select this point, move this one in the Z axis. I hit Q to confirm. Alright, so now the shape is much better. Now I go to the bottom, and I also want to hide the golden surface. I hide these two surfaces, and I want to fill the bottom face. So I also using the filling tool. Click on it and then start clicking this curve. Make sure this curve is in sequence. Okay. Okay, now we have a new surface. I click OK. Next, I select this surface, the new surface, and I go to the part workbench and then extrude it. Click on extrude. Extrude it to 5 mm. In the negative y-axis, you can see up here. Oh, sorry, positive y-axis. You can see the arrow of the y-axis in here. Positive y. 5 mm. Okay. Now I show the surface. These three surfaces. Next, I control select this surface and control select this surface. Make sure you don't select the line. Just select the surface. Okay. And after you select all of the surface, you go to the curve workbench and create parametric solid. Now I hit spacebar to hide all of the surface, and now you can see the new solid in here. I also want to hide all of the sketch and the Freehand display up here. And I select this edge, control select this edge. Come up here, control select this edge, and also this edge outside. And also this edge. Alright, so now you can use the fillet tool in the part workbench. Go to the part workbench and fillet it 1. Okay. Now I select this fillet, hit Ctrl D to go to the display property and go to the shape. Instead of flat line, go to the shape and set it to gold. Okay, so now you just finish modeling the sculpture. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like and subscribe. So thank you.